Today is a Sunday fun day here at the Plane Life, so we're going to be heading down to the island town of Put-in-Bay, Ohio. Once we get there, we have a couple options for transportation. We can rent a golf cart. Put-in-Bay offers golf carts right at the airport, which is excellent. Although we may have an alternate means of travel today that we'll be showing you about later. With that, we'll go ahead and I think Nick, you just finished the pre-flight. We got the commander all washed and waxed, ready to go. So let's hop in and head south.
Here we go.
Sorry, traffic commander 310 Gloucester, Park 27, big left traffic, southbound Oaktree. Line was clear. Hard line's clear, here we go. Line up the runway, runway 27.
Sorry, traffic 490202 mics, 9 to the east-west inbound landing.
Bringing up 30 inches, let the turbocharge kick in, everything's stabilized, pressures, temperatures all look good. Brakes release, here we go. Speed's alive. 60 knots. And we'll rotate. Eyes are right. Tap the brakes. Gears come up. Passing through 80 knots, flaps are coming up. Start left turn. We're going to go southeastbound here. We're going to avoid Detroit City's Class Delta airspace and then link up with the river. And follow the river, Detroit River down and stay on the U.S. side of the border and go air flight down to Put-in-Bay. I think we mapped it out before we left. Put-in-Bay would be a 2-hour and 240 minute drive plus a ferry ride. Another 30 minutes or so.
Yep.
And we've got the power pulled back a little bit, but even then it's only going to take us about 25 minutes. And we get to enjoy the view of the river. Alright, Detroit's airspace, the Class Bravo starts at 2,500 feet where we're going to be going, so I think we'll climb up to 2,000 feet. Stay well below that. Gross Seal, Commander 3 Tango Golf's about 3 miles north, overfly Gross Seal, north to south, 2,000 feet, Gross Seal. As we start heading over the lake here, and we start clearing the Bravo for Metro, we're going to start it real slow, kind of cruise climb, get us a little bit of altitude as we're crossing the lake. Good thing out here, there's a couple small islands, there's always a boat nearby if the worst does happen. Plus, even though it's smooth, getting up a little higher will get us a little bit of cooler temperatures. So as we start clearing these rings, first one's 3,000, it's a 4,000 foot ring, and then it goes quickly up to 6,000, 9,000 feet. So we'll start a little climb here, just make it a little cooler in the cabin. So as we get close to Put-in-Bay here, they don't have Benet sauce on the field, but we'll tune into Port Clinton down here and listen to theirs. Sounds like the winds are out of the north, so we'll plan on landing runway 3 at Put-in-Bay. To keep the traffic out over the water and not over downtown, there's right traffic for runway 3, so we'll just cross right over the island, do right traffic, and land runway 3. That'd actually be a really beautiful approach doing that. Alright, we're going to cross over midfield here. And on our right base, there's an airplane touching down, I think right now on runway 3. I think I see a helicopter out there, but we're well above them, starting our descent down to pattern altitude.
County traffic, 737 on the Gulf, turning left base, 27, remaining close traffic.
What we got here? We got gas, full tank, undercarriage, mixture, props, switches are all good. Good to land.
Terrain ahead.
Put-in-Bay traffic, Commander 3 takeoffs, turn a mile final, runway 3, Put-in-Bay. Some trees right at the approach end, does tend to get a little bit bumpy.
Traffic not available.
And last notch flat.
Base, runway 36, Port Clinton.
And Put-in-Bay traffic, helicopter 15 Alpha is turning right base 3. We have the traffic on the extended base and final in sight.
Thanks, got you inside as well.
Yeah, Port Clinton traffic, Cherokee 2896 pops on the approach. We're about 5 miles out on 27. And Put-in-Bay traffic, helicopter 1 Pop Alpha, turn to final 3, number 2 to land, Put-in-Bay. Port Clinton, Unicom 10694.
Port Clinton, oops, not that. Port Clinton 27 Papa final, runway 36.
Nice job. Thanks. Welcome to the island.
We will not be running golf carts today. Instead, we have an alternate transportation mode. Very stylish. Very stylish. Folding bikes. Folding bicycles. Got our lobster rolls. This looks so good. A little lemon on it. Nice. Well, that wraps up our day at Put-in-Bay. I'd say it was a success. We got some biking in, we had a little lunch, went to the beach, saw some great scenery, and it was a nice way to spend a Sunday.
Sunday fun day. Bikes worked out better than I thought.
Yeah, no, these are good. What are these called? Go Plus folding bicycle. Yeah, I would say, yeah, I wouldn't want to go on a bike ride for 5 hours with them, but they for a couple hours they did the trick.
Good little commuter.
Yeah. All right, well, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.
Time to go home.